Hey guys, this is Leah with Rusty Pro Crafts, and today I have a Hobby Lobby haul and a Dollar Tree haul. All last week, Hobby Lobby was having an 80% off their spring collection, so I went ahead and took advantage of it and grabbed a couple things. The first one is this little tin bucket, and I think I'm planning to put some flowers in it. I think I might do a DIY and post it online. But yeah, I think it's really cute. And I believe, let's see, this one was $7.99, and I believe I got it for $1.50, something like that. I love the little rope handles, really cute. And I also got this little like water container, but you really can't put water in it, obviously, because, oh no, there is a hole. But I'm not gonna use it as a water container. I'm also gonna make a DIY. I'm gonna post a video on that as well, probably with this one too. And this was $4.99, and I got it for $1. And the next one is this big boy. This one I'm gonna use to put like plastic ware or napkins when I have barbecues or get-togethers with friends and family. I had one similar, and I got it from Target, and that was $15. I think it was $12 or $15. And this one was $24.99, and I only got it for $5. So, and I really like this. This one's actually a lot cuter than the other one, but I love this. I love the metal look, if you couldn't tell. And then the last thing I got, again, metal. And this I'm actually gonna put in my bathroom. I have one that I got from Ross, and I'm actually gonna put this in the other bathroom, and I put my toilet paper on here. And so I really like this one. And this one was $19.99, and I believe I got it for $4. So really cute. And that's all I got from Hobby Lobby. Now on to my Dollar Tree haul. I like making wreaths, and I saw these wreaths at Dollar Tree, and I was super excited. I picked up 3. I'm gonna do a couple DIYs with these. I couldn't, pass that up, $1 for these. At Michael's, they have the grapevine wreaths, and I mean, you can get them, with 40% off, but still you can't get them for $1. I think I paid $6, I think, for the ones at Michael's with the coupon, if not a little more. But, this is a good size. Let's see if it says the dimension. No, it doesn't, but it's a good size. And then I got some floral foam for the buckets that I bought. Because I'm gonna use them for the bucket for my DIY. $1. This is a really good deal. Then I bought some latex gloves for the DIY for the wreaths, and shoe polish, which I'll show you guys how to use a shoe polish with the wreaths. Then I bought some floral stuff for my DIY, and I got these sunflowers. I love these sunflowers. So beautiful. I got 2 of those. So they're a good size, and there's 6 flowers you get. So for $1, that's good. Can't beat that. Oops, sorry. Move the camera. Then I got these mums, these yellow mums. I'm gonna use them with the sunflowers. I love this. I got 2 of those. Then I also got, with that DIY, I'm also gonna incorporate these little guys, cattails. I think these are so neat. And then for another DIY I'm gonna use these lavender. Yeah, it's lavender. But I love these, they're so cute. They're so like, really cute. And last but not least, I got these to make something for my coworker. So I don't know if I'm gonna do a DIY with this. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I actually bought 2 of them. So she showed me a picture of, I think it was on Pinterest, and it was like mason jars like this, and it had like a string of lights and some floral arrangements, and I'm like, I can make that. And she's like, okay. So now I have to make them for her. But yeah, maybe, I don't know yet, maybe I'll do the DIY and post it. But that's it. That's all I got for my Dollar Tree haul and Hobby Lobby. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and stay tuned for my DIY videos. Talk to you guys later.